Cooking with Aliyah, the show that brings you the flavors of Morocco. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious appetizer, Spanish tortilla Moroccan style. Spanish tortilla is originally from Spain and is made of eggs, potatoes and onions, which is very different from the Mexican tortilla. However, in Morocco we add our own blend of ingredients such as cumin and parsley. You are going to love this recipe. So let's start! 4 potatoes, a small onion finely chopped, 5 eggs, a quarter of a cup of finely chopped parsley, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, and of course salt and pepper are to your taste. Peel the potatoes. Cut the potatoes in very small cubes. The first step is to cook the onions. On medium heat, drizzle half of the olive oil in your pan. Add the onion. Add a pinch of salt to the onion. Let the onion cook for the next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the potatoes to the pan. Add the spices. Add the rest of the olive oil. Cover the potatoes and let them cook on medium heat until done. Stir from time to time. To check that your potatoes are done, you can either taste them or try to cut them with a fork. They should cut easily. When the potatoes are almost cooked, add the parsley and let them cook for another few minutes. Transfer the potatoes to a separate bowl. Beat the 5 eggs. Add the eggs to the potatoes. The last step is to return the mixture to the pan and cook it on medium heat on both sides. Shake your pan to even out the mixture. When the edges start cooking, push them to the inside. Put a plate over the tortilla and flip it. Slide the tortilla back in the pan. Cook the tortilla on the other side. Push the edges of the tortilla to the inside. Serve the tortilla immediately. Bon appétit!